Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back to my channel, Vicky X Bell. Today I'm here at Tanger Outlets and I am on a mission. My dad has built up all these certificates, so we have so much, like 200 for American Eagle. So we're about to go on a shopping spree and I'm gonna bring you guys along. All right, Mom, how do you feel? We've been blessed with certificates.
$100. Yay!
Are you excited?
Go fast.
What do you want to get? A shirt?
Shirt, jeans for dad. Shirt for
Jeans
me.
for dad. Shirt for you. Shirt for me.
Something for you.
Something
A
for
little
me.
something for you.
Oh, a little. All right, let's see how this goes. You guys should have seen it. There was literally just like 10 people here, all in the way. We couldn't even see anything. Hey guys, quick update. We went to Hollister. I got a tank top and bathing suit bottom. And we went to Auntie Anne's and got frozen drinks, except she left hers in Michael Kors, so she lost her drink. And we got a purse. Ooh. Okay, we just got back to the car. It is so hot outside, but we're about to go home and I'm gonna give you guys a haul when I get there. Hey guys, it's Vicky and I'm back. I'm finally home. Don't mind what I look like. It is 94 degrees. I'm a little busted. It's okay, it's whatever. So, at the outlets, first, I mean, obviously there's nothing in here, but we got Auntie Anne's, I think that's how you say it. First, we went to American Eagle. So I'm gonna show you what we got from there. So the first thing, I love these leggings. They're called, they're just called leggings. Size medium, and they're gray and they're thick material, and it's so good. Like, I don't know what like Lululemon and stuff feels like, but I think this can compare. Honestly, I think this is really good, and it's stretchy but also skin tight at the same time, and it has like a pocket on the sides, and I love that, so then you can like put your phone in there. The second thing I got is this cute top that I didn't think was gonna fit me because it's an extra small, but the way it fits, it works. So it looks like this. So it's like, it ties here, so it like wraps over and ties here on the side, and then the clip's not in it right now, but it clips like on the chest, so it's not showing like too much, you know. But I mean, you could also leave it open, honestly. It just looks like a little threads hanging out. Oh wait, oh, this is a small. I thought it was extra small the whole time. No wonder I fit it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well anyways, this was on sale. I think everything was on sale at a really good price, but I love this color. I've been loving this color. It's just so pretty. It's like a mix between purple and pink. Next item is, oh, this matches with the leggings. I got this to go with the leggings. This gray, black, white, tie-dye, whatever you want to call this. Gray tie-dye, gray and white. So it's like neutral colors, but tie-dye. So it's not like, you know, like super eye-catching, but it's like still the tie-dye look, and it looks so cool, and it's so soft. The material is so soft. The inside is fleece, also super soft, and this was like $25. It was like really good sale, and the leggings were like 35 or so not bad. And this shirt was, I don't remember, but it wasn't that expensive. Then my mom got a shirt, a tie-dye shirt, and it looks really good because her hair is brown, kind of like almost like mine, but a little more red. So that's why this shirt looks so good with her hair, because it's like, you know, brownish, orangish, reddish, and it's so cool because it has a little triangle thing in the front, like a little loop, but also it's like high to low, whatever you call that, like high to low type, like higher in the front, lower in the back. That's the girl's bag, and then the guy's bag is for my dad. The second bag, so I picked this for him because I do a lot of shopping for him, so I gotta get him cute clothes, you know. So for this shirt, it's like, it's just black, yeah, black with pink stripes, like vibrant. I think it looks so cool. Like, this could be cool in the summer. Then the next thing Oh, I forgot. One more thing for myself is these small camo joggers. Look how cool. And the material is so like silky smooth and soft, and there's zippers on the sides. They remind me of like, you know, Adidas athletic pants. And there's one back pocket zipper too. And they're like jogger style. And they're just like so stretchy and comfy. So these are actually in the boys section, but they're for me in a size small. And they're so comfy. And they fit well and like, you know. Yeah. Next thing is a t-shirt. This one's pretty trippy. It looks cool. It's like the eagle, but look at the lines. Look how trippy that is, like optical illusion. Next thing is this pretty blue button up. Voila! I thought this was so cute. Nice collar, very simple, but also like light, not too thick, breathable. I think that's so pretty. Love the color. Then we got a brown belt. Just looks like that. Okay, so next I went to Hollister and I got myself two things. The first thing is these bikinis were on sale for $9.99. So I got this white one with like this eyelet style to it. I know you guys can see that. So that is so pretty. I don't have anything like this for bikinis. I have like one shirt that's similar, but not really. And then I got this super cute tank top that has like the ruffly edges and kind of v-neck somewhat, but it's just like white with blue flowers. And I've never really seen this on a tank top, but the straps adjust. Isn't that so cool? So it's like regardless, it's gonna fit, you know, it just depends how tight the body part's gonna be. And I got these on sale. The top was originally $15, but then I got to the counter and she said something like 30% off. So I was like, okay. So the bathing suit bottoms ended up being $5 and the top was $11. So I was like, such a good deal. Last place we went was Michael Kors, and this is the grand finale. Big black purse. It has so many pockets, so much space. Look at that. So many straps and different options. Like, this is serious business. And a big thing in the front, and I like this cute little lock. That's so cute. I always love that. I know like MK always has like a lock or it says MK or something, so it's a good accent. Okay, that is everything we got in this haul at Tandra Outlets. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more if you haven't already, and click the bell to get my post notifications so you know when I post a new video. Love you, bye.